Hello everyone and welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. I found so many fun, exciting items. I could not wait to share them. I have to film this right away. And yes, some of you may notice that there is background noise. Connor's playing his VR with his friend. You will also hear the air conditioner. I'm sorry, but let's continue on with the haul. One of the first items that I picked up was this silicone pencil case from the Jot brand, the Jelly Pencil Pouch. I like this. It seems really nice. It has a zipper on it. There's plenty of room for pencils. It is middle school, and in our area, they don't want them to have scissors and things like that. So he'll just need pencils, color pencils, erasers, extra things like that. So he won't need a big pencil box this year, so I thought the pencil pouch would serve him well. Moving into the beauty items, I've already opened this. I've repurchased this several times in the past, but I got the Assured brand 100% pure cotton swabs. On the paper sticks, I like these best. 225 count. Purchase these, repurchase these periodically, and they work fine for what they're supposed to do. Continuing on with the health and beauty kind of items, this was a new item to my store, and I got these Extreme Eco Collection 3 facial safety razors made with wheat straw. So these are like for dermaplaning your face. Like I said, a facial razor. Angled stem for easy control, double edged blade, smooth shave, naturally sourced wheat straw. I thought these were neat. I'm always looking out for facial razors and things like that. So yeah, I can't wait to give those a go. I also finally found the other scent of the Pro Silk Body 24-hour moisturizing body lotion in the creamy cashmere. The other one I got was like something comfy, I think. I could be wrong, but it's in a pink bottle. And it smells more like florals, and this is more like vanilla, warm, cozy vibes. It says with nourishing oils and butters, soothing formulation for dry skin, 12 fluid ounces. This lotion is really nice. This is supposed to be like a dupe for the EOS lotions, and I haven't tried the EOS lotions yet, but this stuff's pretty good. It's thick, it's moisturizing. I love the scent of the ones that I've found in my store, and I was so happy to find this scent too. I didn't need another lotion, but we picked it up. I'm gonna, just put that back. I did pick up a couple new skincare items, and I got from the Defend R Plus brand. This is a 2-pack. I haven't been able to find these kind of eye masks and stuff in my area in a while, so when I saw them, they had a few different kinds of variations to choose from in terms of like scents, but they all did a hydrating targeted face mask, lips and under eye. I think the packaging on this is super cute. I got the Spring Sunrise with Peaches, and this is just an eye and lip mask set, and these are just always nice to have on hand. I like using these before I apply makeup or late at night when I feel that I need a like spa-like kind of treatment. So 2-pack of those, and these were $1.50. I believe the pencil case was $1.50, and everything else was $1.25. Still on the skincare items, I did pick up a new face serum. I'm really liking the vitamin C one, and when I saw this oatmeal one from Dermasil, I had to pick it up to give it a try. I called it oatmeal, but it's oat milk, and I love all the milk type products, but it's an oat milk restorative face serum. It has fermented oatmeal and snow mushroom. I'm already using the face wash of this, and it is really good. I really like it a lot. It does a very good job at lathering and cleaning the face, so I am excited to give this a go. It does have a dropper, and really nice. I mean, for $1.25, you can't beat that. I found several new makeup items. Finally found the Be Pure Hydrating Lip Balm in the creamy caramel scent. These are comparable to the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Kiss lip balms. It says it's enriched with vitamin E, shea butter, I am very excited to try this out, but I'm loving this, these comparable products to these name brands. It's really awesome to see that at the Dollar Tree and it becoming more prominent. It's really cool. So I got the lip balm. Also, if you want to see any reviews on any of the items, anything you see, let me know. I will do full reviews. Before we get into the new beauty items, I did repurchase an item too. The Be Pure Lamination Brow Gel Set lifts and holds hairs in place. I have done a full review on this product and I will try to remember to link that in the cards. This is seriously so good. It does feel a little like there's lash glue in my eyebrows. I'm using it right now, but I used all of my other one and I was like, if I see this product again, I'm definitely picking it up. So when I saw it again, I picked it up. It has vitamin B. This stuff's amazing, especially for this summer. My brows do not budge. They don't smear, smudge, nothing. Like they stay in place, they hold their color. This has been amazing. Love it. Next I want to get this item out of the way because it's the only nail related product that I have. But I was super excited to see this Must Have Beauty Premium Quality. This is a peel off latex. What? At the Dollar Tree. It says it's quick dry. And I just used a peel off latex base peel off latex around my cuticles last night to do this. And I'm not done with this. You're seeing the base of what I'm going to do. But basically for 4th of July, I'm doing crackle on top of this. White crackle. So something quick and easy. But I really wanted to try this, but I went ahead and saved it not to open it so I could share it in my haul. But I am very eager to try this peel off latex tape. Brush, apply, peel, enjoy. And easier, faster manicures guaranteed. It looks a little thin though compared to the other latex I have, but still super excited to try this, and I hope that I end up loving it because finding products like that for less at the Dollar Tree is a win-win. Lashes. I wasn't going to purchase any more Ioni lashes only because I have a pretty big stash of lashes right now, but when I saw these, I love the halfling lashes from Ioni and I could not resist. This is the Baby Fox Curls and they're halfling lashes. Love their beautiful packaging. Look at this beautiful green. I don't know what else to say about them. They're awesome. I can't wait to try them. They look beautiful. And I like that their half lashes are longer than most brands' half lashes because it still gives you that full lash effect without having a full lash on your eye. Does that make sense? Yeah. I saw this product the last couple times I went to the Dollar Tree. I regretted not picking it up. And this time I grabbed it. It's the LA Colors, the Very Cherry Blush Balm. And they had lip products from this line. I didn't pick up any of those, but this blush balm looks really pretty. Like it's going to give you that really nice, natural, deep, kind of flushed look. I'm excited for this. I think this would be really beautiful for the fall, but also anytime. I cannot wait to try this out. The packaging is adorable. And then I really was hoping to find some new face items from the Dollar Tree for my full faces, but I just kept finding the LA Colors liquid makeup, so I passed on that. But I did find a new primer, and I was looking for a new primer. So from Be Pure, I did find the Gel Grip Face Primer. This is a lot tinier than I thought it was going to be. 0.4 fluid ounces, helps makeup last longer. Hyaluronic acid. I'm not the biggest fan of grip primers, I'll be upfront, but I wanted a new primer to try from the Dollar Tree. I just don't think my other Be Pure one is working like it should anymore, so maybe it is time to let that one go. But this is really cute. I love the packaging on this one and can't wait to give it a try. The last 3 items I have are color shifting eyeshadows. Also, something that I typically don't buy even when I see it are the liquid eyeshadows. I'm not the biggest fan. I typically don't use them, but they had color shifting ones, which means they're like a duochrome, multichrome. They shift from, you see one color in the sunlight, you'll see multiple colors in the shade. So I thought also for summertime this is really fun, and I couldn't help myself. So I picked up, they say they're sheer pigment, but you could build these up. You could also layer them with other eyeshadows, layer them over top of a black. Really pretty over black, I'm sure. But I got the shade Aurora. This is from Be Pure. Their color shifting eyeshadow, sheer pigment, color that shifts in different lighting. Like I said, in the sunlight it'll be one color, and in the shade it'll be a different color or multiple colors depending on the product. So Aurora, and this is like a champagne-y gold to a beautiful pink color. It's really beautiful. And then I also got same from the Be Pure color shifting eyeshadow sheer pigment, and this one is the shade Luna, and my dog's name is Luna, and I was like, oh, and it just gives this like kind of mermaid vibes. So it's kind of like a golden champagne to this white, or a white to the golden champagne. It's really beautiful. I thought this would make a beautiful an inner corner highlight all over the lid. Be perfect for a halo eye. We're gonna definitely see. Once again, cannot wait to try these shifting liquid eyeshadows out. They're so pretty. And then the last one is from Ione, and they had a new display. It says La Dolce Vita, I think. And this is a light shifting eyeshadow from Ione. Color shifts in light, multi-dimensional finish. Long lasting, vitamin E, paraben free, vegan, cruelty free, teal and purple shift. And this was like the last one they had. And I guess this is called Lunetta? Not sure. Anyways, enough butchering everything. But a teal to a purple. And this is absolutely stunning. It's so beautiful. I cannot wait. Oh, there's a little side picture here. To try this one out. I don't know if they had any other ones in this line, because I would have picked them up. Especially, because this one is so gorgeous. Cannot wait to test these out. These are my most favorite purchases from the day. Hands down, absolutely love and cannot wait to try them. But yeah, that was my Dollar Tree haul today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Maybe you will try some of these products out for yourselves. Stay tuned for more Dollar Tree hauls and Dollar Tree content. I will have a full face of Dollar Tree coming soon. Once again, if you want to see any of these items fully reviewed, swatched, whatever it is, please let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional Dollar Tree links. Thank you so much for watching.